Can everybody hear me? I hope so. Love from Guam, everybody. Message is for Mr. Barack Obama. I just heard your speech from, when was it that you were elected again? When did I vote for you for Hope? Um, I don't know. It seems to me that you're really scared there about these executive orders and whatnot. So you're going to do whatever you're going to do because you're being controlled by certain corporations, a certain elite of America, and so I purely understand from the corporation side and side with those hardworking Americans who are working day in and day out on their jobs without any increases to their wages. And so I'm calling you out, Barack. You dissed us here on Guam. You came and only went to the military base, but you decided not to come outside the gate. And so I take offense to that, okay? And we've invited you. We've done every single possible thing to welcome you, and I understand the constraints, brother. But as a leader, regardless about what people are saying to you left and right, the buck stops with you. And you are the leader of this wonderful United States of America where I was born, and I will now take over. Because it seems as of late that the Democrats really don't know what the heck happened to them in, of course, November. And some are being contested and whatnot, and I understand about voter suppression and all of that jargon that comes with, a more perfect government. And so since you've been president, we've all been watching all over the world, and the sentiments that my brother Vladimir Putin, sorry, even the Russians too can be pompous, be landmass, warmongers people. You like to be warmongers and you like to start fights and you don't know how to get out of them. So you create these tactics and diversions when all of our, brothers and sisters in the military, I appreciate, but we're going to take over now, and we are going to ensure that the people all over the world are treated fairly in their own backyard with dignity and pure respect that first and foremost is duly owed to the indigenous populations throughout the world. We did not migrate. We were already here. Then you guys came and totally made a mess of the whole thing. You see, the higher purpose, Barack, that I am telling you right now is a higher purpose that is given to us by God, the Most High Himself has ordered. But because of man's corruption, because of man's greedy heart, he always likes to blame other people. So it's a great way to blame the United States Congress, and how dare you insult all my fellow Republicans in both the Senate now and the House. Therefore, Mr. Lame Duck President, you are not welcome at all here on the island of Guam, and if you choose to just stay on the other side of the fence, by all means, I'll be over here with the Pope, and everybody else will be by my side. And yes, Mr. Obama, it's time for you to fess up and tell everybody that you smoke marijuana. Tell your kids you smoke marijuana because you know what's up. You were born in and raised there in Indonesia, of course, and of course you were the part of the overseas there, but you forgot about the Hawaiians, dude. You forgot about us, the indigenous peoples. Do you understand? This is beyond race now. This is beyond gender. This is about creating world peace. You hear me? And so since part of this design has always been to achieve that, we are going to eliminate the world's debt situation. Everybody forgives each other of their debt because now we start back from zero. And hear me, if the National Republicans would like for me to run against Miss Hillary Clinton, I mean, I'm trying my best. I'll give her that seat to her, but you know, she's a grandma now, and so we need to respect grandmothers with their time with their children because Billy Boy has been playing too much games because I know full well, because I represent the people of the world who are tired of your bullshit. So, Mr. President, welcome to Guam, USA, where America's day begins. God bless you. God bless the United States of America. God bless my island homeland. And more importantly, God bless our Mother Earth. Hasta luego. Keep it real.